Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 4.8% in the last session, after rising as much as 5.2% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices dipped on Friday, a day after topping $85 a barrel for the first time since November, but prices were expected to finish more than 3% higher for the week on rising demand from US refiners completing planned overhauls. The Bank of Japan is expected to end its negative interest rate policy on Tuesday on substantial wage hikes by big firms in this year's wage negotiations, the Nikkei newspaper reported. The dollar rose to a more than 1 week high to end last week, after a mixed batch of data showed the US economy remained stable, with small pockets of weakness suggesting the Federal Reserve could keep interest rates higher for longer or reduce the planned number of rate cuts this year.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The UK's Rightmove House Price Index at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT, the Austrian HICP at 0800 hours GMT. The Eurozone's Harmonised Index of Consumer Prices will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The US NAHB Housing Market Index at 1400 hours GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.